This is the BougeRV telescoping camping light. Company sent me this product to check it out, make a video for it, so let's do it. It is tall. I'm 6'2". So this stand is made from some type of aluminum alloy. There's some plastic pieces on here, just on the bottom and right here, and this piece, but the rest of it is metal. The top of the stand has the screw where you thread the light on. I use the handle to thread it on, makes it easier. This thing feels surprisingly durable. There's a push button on the bottom when you want to open it. Just push that, the legs come out, and they spread out like this. Super wide base. There's about almost 40 inches in between here. One thing is, this does not lock into place when it's down. It doesn't really need to because of the width of this base. When you're closing it back up, just be careful you don't pinch your fingers. But you just close it up, and it snaps back into place, just like that. Super easy. So when it's lowest setting, it's about 3 foot off the ground. You've got two different telescopic poles here, where you can adjust it all the way up to 7.5 feet. Really helps for it to light up a large area. It arrives safely, nice looking box. Inside the package, you are going to get the main telescoping stand with the detachable light already on there. You're going to get the instructions that shows you all the different things you can do with this. You get a pretty decent storage bag that comes with it. Zipper feels okay on there, easy to use. Has a shoulder strap on it. A USB Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. You charge it up right here. It can also act as a power bank to charge other small devices if you need to do that. The body on this is surprisingly well built. It's made of an aluminum alloy and maybe some PVC in a couple of spots here, but really solid. It's rated IPX4 water resistant, so it can handle some light rain. The stand and the light together weigh about 6 pounds, 5 ounces. So the light head by itself weighs about 1 pound, 15 ounces. It measures 4 by 4, and it's about 5 inches tall. It has a built-in handle on here, which is metal, believe it or not. I'm used to seeing plastic on everything. And you can see the threaded section right here with 4 magnets on the bottom. I like the magnets because with the magnets on the bottom and the handle on top, it's a pretty good option as an emergency light. If the power goes out, you can carry it around like a lantern. You can stick it to a fridge. You can stick it to ductwork if you need to get near a panel or something. Any place metal, that's really cool. Operation on this is simple with one main button to cycle through the panels, the modes, and the brightness levels by holding or double clicking. The light has 4 adjustable LED panels. If you've got 1 panel on, you can adjust the brightness on that. If you've got 2, you can adjust the brightness on that, 3 and 4. But if you press the button, you cycle through 1 panel, 2 panels, 3 panels, 4 panels. And after it's on for a few seconds, you press the button again and turn it off. If you do everything quickly in succession, you'll get to the flashlight, which I'll show you. So you can adjust the brightness. It's dimmable on each of these modes, whether you have 1 panel on, 2, 3, or 4. At least I know for sure that it is on the white and the warm lights. I can't quite tell on the red light. Maybe it's just my eyes. You just press and hold the button down, and you can see it brightened up there. It blinks to let you know it's reached its highest point. Press and hold it again, and it'll dim down and blink again to let you know it's reached its dimmest point. There are 3 different color options. You have white light for bright general use. If you double click, it turns into warm light for a softer feel, and again, dimmable. If you double click again, you get the red light. Red light's good for preserving your night vision, good for reading or not waking someone up in the middle of the night. I don't know if this is actually dimmable or if it's just my eyes. I can't tell. It will put out 3,200 lumens on the brightest setting. I was testing this out in the yard at night, and it's brighter and covers more of an area than I thought it would. And the flashlight on top was way more powerful than I thought it would be. I was out there for about an hour last night testing this and using it now, and the power level still hasn't stepped down, so that's cool. The battery life is obviously going to vary depending on, how many panels you have on, which light setting, how bright you have it, all that stuff. There you go. I find this light to be surprisingly useful. Something like this would be great for a tent, when you're out camping, backyard gatherings, maybe beach gatherings. Definitely if you have an emergency power outage, this is great for just having it around the house. If you're working in the garage, maybe in the shed, all kinds of uses. Pretty cool.